What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy MotoJace. For today's episode, we're going to do the required 600-mile oil change. As per the manual, oil just needs to be replaced with the recommended oil, which is the Honda GN4. But I'm also going to do the oil filter since I have it already, and I just feel like every oil change you should be changing the filter. Or we're going to replace the drain bolt plug with a magnetic brand or magnetic drain bolt to pick up some loose micro metal shavings from the motor. They said it's not a bad idea to put one, so I ordered one from Amazon. I have two different brands. One is like $22 and the other one is like $13. So I'm going to compare them and see which one is better or which one I should use and which ones I'm going to return. What I have in here is the GN4 10W30 from Honda. Also have the O-ring for the filter cover and the drain plug washer. Next to it is going to be the oil filter, or the filter element they call it, and that's the part number. All of these items, I'm going to post the link below on the description. Alright, first things first, I'm going to jack up the bike. I have it up. Okay. There's only a couple of bolts to do. You got the 8mm, that's 2 bolts for the filter cover. Underneath is going to be your drain plug. This is going to be the fill bolt right over here. So as far as I know, the drain plug bolt is going to be a 12mm, and this too will be 8mm. This one you just twist it with your finger. Okay. So let's start with the drain plug bolt. Alright. Easy, ready, steady. Not too bad of consistency. Smells like oil and gasoline. I think that's how motorcycles are. Definitely a little bit different than a car. One. Okay, that's 2. I just have a habit to throw it on a magnetic pan, so I do not lose any bolts. Okay, that's there. Alright, so to change the oil filter, we're going to have to... Oh, that came off easily. Thought it was going to be harder than that. Okay, so Some people reuse the O-ring for the first oil change. They said that since it's still brand new, it's you know, you could reuse it, and they haven't had any leaks or whatsoever. That's very true, but it's also a cheap part. I think I paid like $5 for it, for a brand new one, and as far as I know, you could just use a pick and you should be able to pull it out just like that. After you drain your oil, the next thing you do, you reassemble the filter. You change the filter cover gasket, rubber gasket. So the filter, there's two sides. One has a metal, just metal face on it, and the other one has a metal face with a rubber gasket on it. So the one that's with the rubber gasket would go towards the engine, and it also says it has a note on it, a sign saying this side towards engine. So all I have to do is push it back in, just like so. Replace your or reinstall your spring, and next thing that you do, you replace the cover with the new rubber gasket on it. As per the torque spec, this is an aluminum block, so I wouldn't really go insane on the torque. As per, I think, I didn't read it in the manual, but I did see, like, I think one of the in the forums they said about 9 foot-pounds, which is really like nothing. All right, so we'll set it at 8 for the torque. 8 foot-pounds of torque on the cover, filter cover. All right, so that's 8, and according to the service manual that I saw online, for the drain bolt, it's going to be 24. The OEM bolt is a 12 mil. Now this new one, I think it's going to be a 17, which is the same size as a car. Yes, 17 mil. And this one's going to be torqued down to 24 foot-pounds of torque. Okay, so we're going to replace the bolt next. Again, this is a M12 by 1.5 thread pitch. And as per the service manual, it should be torqued down to 24 foot-pounds of torque. Alright, there you go. That's all done. And you just have to fill the oil. This one takes 1 quart. So I got this funnel from Walmart, and it's nice because it kind of like, it bends. You don't really need to be honest, but I just feel like spending money. Anyway, it's gonna be 1 quart of the GN4, then the regular car oil. I don't know why. I guess supply and demand. But this quart ran me, I think, about like $10.50, if I'm not mistaken, from the dealership. I'm thinking next to just get like the bigger bottle, which contains 4 quarts, and I think that runs from Amazon for about like $36, which is not bad. And there you have it, guys. That's how you change an oil, or change your oil and the filter in your Honda Grom. This is for 2022 and 2023. I'm assuming it's the same, as there's no difference between them two except for the colors. Hopefully this video helps you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe on my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.